Yeah, fiddle's in, everything's in. Stuff, Nisha. That's the most important stuff. Always smell good even if you look bad and play bad. Just packing literally one house to move to another house to get ready to record for a couple of days. We have the whole kitchen sink with us. Be a tight squash just like when we first started when 5 of us fitted in the back of a Corsa to record in Galway. So here we go.
Going to Portlanone to Sean O'Graham's beautiful studio. We've been up here a couple of times before and it's just class. Sean O was so good to work with and all his equipment is amazing and the studio is fab.
About 5 hours from Limerick up through Galway, past Athlone, and then up to here with Alan.
I only drink oat milk now.
Really?
Yeah, since the car journey we need to go.
Is this the week that we get you into coffee?
Don't think so. I think it's a bad week to experiment with.
Does this not say well prepared? I believe the title of the set is well prepared. No, yeah, yes.
Scribble, scribble, scribble.
Scribble, scribble,
Scribble, scribble, scribble. Piano,
So,
piano.
yeah. B5, third time round, BG, etc. is what I've written down here. So,
Sneakily lean back here.
Back to the sets, we realised none of us remember doing anything, and now we're trying to. Well,
no, I'm just like, at some point we'll have to pretend like we know what we're doing at least. So, you know what I mean? It's a lot like.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. What's the first two? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3.
it's 10:45 at night, 11:15, and we're nearly finished practicing our second set. So it's just great to get back together and to try to remember all that we did in the practices and tidy it up before the morning so that we can be a bit more efficient in the studio.